My country people, they masaloto. Wanna come good, this one, not general. Masatapang Ivo. Tanku, we don't come again for Kantori with Wana. The good people of the southern Cameroons. At the camp for can tell una something where they happen for this struggle. Una Sabise will be starting with some small protest for November 2016. That bad ngom na way there for neighboring country they call them La Republique. Paul Biya Bartholomew Bimvon, the terrorist. He be denied for solve the problem, so it be changed into a crisis and now a full-time conflict. Now a conflict because as defined by the correlates of war and other international databases, when you kill 25 people on both sides, now a conflict already. La Republique, it don't declare war for we, but we know they declare war for La Republique because already in our country, we don't want a war in our own country. That means a neighboring La Republique, it don't come for can fight war for our country, but would they tell them, say we need to fight any war. We are only killing the terrorists that are coming to kill our women and children. We shall only engage in self-defense. And because of that, when I say La Republique, last 2, 3, 4 months, they be the back, say make we lay down our weapons. That means say make they give our weapons back. Make everybody we get gun, make gun for that bad gun now for neighboring Cameroon, La Republique du Cameroon. We deny saying gang, we not go give any weapons. That thing is shock La Republique. La Republique they say, huh? The one with the boy that is they keep arming themselves against us, against the terrorists them. That means say the guy if he tonton so get that independence. Now question that way La Republique be ask him. Say this people if he tonton so they get really that independence. And not true, we already come close to get the independence. First time we hold peace plants. Now what peace plants na IOS and na iron plants. We hold iron plants to defend ourselves. And for that reason, La Republique they don't see and say would the wind sote they go borrow helicopter too. Paul borrow again, he don't go for China for go borrow again. Paul borrow, he don't go again for Lebanon for go borrow. We don't know place where Paul borrow go borrow again, but we don't say we don't be determined and we'll get our independence. But again, I don't come again for can't tell when some propaganda where La Republique they continue ram. They don't see and say because we win, they don't try now for put debate them for inside their TV. They don't buy local TV newspapers them. So that made they talk say, oh, it is illegal to hold arms. International law says don't hold arms. International law says Geneva Convention 1949 states that you must respect this. Make a tell when something where La Republique they do am. All that one are only tactics for make una fear. Say una as leaders, we as leaders, every single Ambazonian in this struggle is a leader. Everyone. All of us, we own all the groups in the entire Ambazonia fighting for the liberation of our nation and for the protection of our women and children. All of us are leaders. Anyone has a right to do a video. Anyone has a right to lead in his own community. And anyone has the right to push forth for a nation state. So La Republique, they don't confuse. Now they want to start a debate. Say, oh no, it is illegal to hold arms. International law says that this. Let me tell you. We are within the confines of the international law. That means we have not even engaged in a war. So the Geneva Conventions at this time does not even apply. Geneva Conventions means war laws, war laws. We are not in a war. It is La Republique that is in a war. And they should be tried. All that La Republique generals and soldiers and Mr. Paul Biya, the terrorist, would be tried in front of the ICC. We are only engaging in self-defense. We are only engaging in the protection of our territorial boundaries as of 1961. We are only engaging in the protection of our women and children. And for this reason, nobody should be afraid. What you are doing is perfectly right. Perfectly right. The only thing we have to keep up with is protecting our women and children. We have to engage in full self-defense because every international law, from the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, it guarantees our civil rights and political liberties. From the Geneva War laws, whenever they apply to us, we protect our women and children. And also, the U.S. Second Amendment, it even states, say even the U.S. citizens themselves, they get right for bear arms for a free state to protect in case where the military is rogue or where the government comes to kill them, they have the right to hold their own weapons. We Ambazonians have a legitimate right. And for that reason, it makes La Republique to panic panic because they're a terrorist regime. Only terrorist regimes do not allow their citizens to hold weapons because they want to keep enslaving their citizens. If you get some slave for your backyard, you go give them weapon, you go give weapon for slave may hold them. No. When I sabi say na only for Western democracies where they allow their citizens to hold weapons because it's self-defense, protection. Because they understand say that government is so good that the citizens just love them and they will not revolt against their government. But only in dictatorships, autocratic regimes, tyrannical regimes like Paul Biya Bartholomew being Vondo, he won't get the alpha and the omega power. We, me, General Ivo, and every other citizen will not decide say no. We shall not sit and watch our women and children keep dying in front of our own noses. We shall fight this particular terrorist regime till the last man standing. And for that reason, every kutu where it did for La Republic, may they know say can't kill we because we will kill them. Any Ketu way can kill we, may either take their weapons for kill the terrorists. Where it don't there for power for nearly 40 years and where it can clock 90 years. And where for 2008, the man be declared himself president for life. So this kind of terrorist regime, any francophone way eye open, make it take his weapons, it go fight that man for it to the Yaoundé, where they call him Paul Biya the terrorist. May no say can't fight we the innocent unarmed civilians. We the civilians who are arming ourselves against terrorists. So make this warning, it go out there to everybody. Stay steadfast. We are winning and La Republic is confused. You will see so much of so many propaganda coming up. You will see all kind of call yourself professor, doctor, this. Or we don't go school. We get plenty master's degree. We don't even get doctorate degree. So all we don't go school. And we know the law. And that things the way we don't do them. So we stay steadfast. We will keep guide una as we go through the path, go out of Egypt to Israel. We will keep guide una the pillar of cloud during the day and the pillar of fire at night. Una thank you very much. My name is General Ivo. Una bye bye.